So we are 55 hours after pitching. It is Monday, 9 o'clock at night. I came home and checked this out. This 1 gallon still is not doing anything. That I could tell, at least. There's no airlock activity still, and the cake on the bottom hasn't changed at all. However, I did move this onto the table, and whatever was on the glass came off because there was stuff just clinging into the glass. Last time I did that, it came back to the glass. Actually, it's starting to do that again. See? Right there. Came back. That all fell down. Went right back up. So there's got to be something going on. Possibly. But, talked to Alex, and we both agreed that if nothing happens with this 1 gallon by tomorrow, I'm going to pitch my US 05 yeast in that baby. So that's what I'm doing with that guy. And then if we come over here, we got the 5.5 gallon and the 6 gallon carboy I wrap up in a blanket. And oh my goodness, look at that. It's got a creamy head of Croissant going on here. Look at all that foam. Look at all that foam. So we got some airlock activity there, of course. And look at that head on there, the foam. It's creamy white, a little bit of yellow mixed in there. Anyways, when I came home, it wasn't this thick. It's getting thicker by the hour. I got home around 5:30, and it was maybe half of this. So 4 hours went by, and this has really thickened up a little bit. So I'm thinking that this started to take off around the 48-hour mark. So it's taken it about 7 hours to reach this point once taken off, and that means it took 48 hours for the yeast to build up enough energy to start chowing down. So that just goes to show you that you should check your yeast packs, because your yeast packs will have a best by date on them, and if you pitch after that best by date, they will not guarantee that the yeast will be viable enough to chow down. You might have a good pack like I wound up having. I mean, it took a while. It's not going to attenuate well, which will bode well for the Brettanomyces and the bacteria that's in there. But as far as the sac goes, it's not going to attenuate well. So if you use a regular strain of sac and you let it, if you pitch it and it's past its best by date, it's not good for your beer. And of course, this is the experiment. We all knew that there was a high chance this wouldn't do anything for the yeast. It doesn't mean the bacteria aren't doing anything, if there is bacteria in there. So we're going to give that another 24 hours, and then if nothing's happening, pitch. So there you go.